Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot instantly into your Windows 11 in a very simple way. If you're just using any of your Windows 11 version and if you just want to take the screenshot, very simple to doing it. Just simply come over into your any of side. Like if you want to take the screenshot of this page over here, what you need to do, just simply press your Windows key plus Shift plus S, and there will be a icon over here. If you want to take it as a snip, you can do it as well. Also, you can choose on to take a video, you can do it as well. So I'm going to go for the camera. Also, you can choose different rectangle. If you want to take the full screen, you can do it as well. If you want to take only windows, you can do it. If you want to do the rectangle or the freeform, you can do this as well. So what you need to do, we will going to just drag down it how many size I want to take it. So I will going to take it only this size, and that's it. Here is your screenshot over here. You can see I'm going to click on got it, and you can also edit it from the snipping tool over here. So this is how you can use screenshot or take a screenshot instantly into your Windows 11. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.